So next we are going to see about the IPv6 protocol, which this protocol is used as a IPv protocol. So this is a next generation protocol which is poised to make a new wave of incoming decades. There is some serious limitations of the current IP address. That is, we are using that IPv4 to pre-prices. So this IPv6, so there is a internet protection. It's used 128 bits addressing, that's billion upon the million addresses. So any compatibility of with the IP4 addresses, the security and authentication, the quality of service, the plug and play for network devices configuration, and hierarchical structure routing, and an ability of seamlessly integrated with the current IP address during the transition stage. So how this IPv6 works? So this technology is mainly focused on changing the structure of current IP addresses, which will allow the virtual limited IP addresses. So the current version of IPv4 is a growing concern with the limited IP addresses, with making it a fear that they will run out in the future. So this IPv6 will also have a goal to make the internet and with a more secure place for browser, and with the rapid number of identity theft victims, that is which is used as a key feature. And it is more efficient and hierarchical addressing and routing infrastructures based on the common occurrence of the multi-level of the internet. So these are the challenges which we are going to face in today's internet, that is address duplication, loss of peer-to-peer model, increasing the need of security PDA, burden infrastructures, increasing the need for IP mobility, increased traffic flow, new application have specific delivery requires, increasing need for security and information protection, varied usage of internet requires continual, that is tuning of current internet protocols. Challenges in today's internet is quality to the service issues, security, mobility, and mobility. So in mobility, we have used 3G and 4G initiatives, and we are using 802.11x Bluetooth, UWB moving connectivity from wireline to wireless. So increasing number of wireless mobile phones accessing network services in the mobility. And security, we have used the mired methods, there is no uniformity, and the multitude of the methods of used by hackers and to attack the network. So to overcome this criticalness, IPv6 provides a new platform for all the internet users, which provides some more flexibility for the growth and expansion. So the features of IPv6 is the addressing header, it has more security, it has more privacy, auto configuration, routing is very good in routing, quality of services is high, and it expanded to the 128 bits addresses. The multicasting routing is now scalable with the scope field and the anycast. So these are the simple features of IPv6. There is extension headers, and the features of IPv6 is auto configuration, cost saving, home market potentials, and centralized management. Feature of IPv6 is source retaining. It's already seen that it supports the source demand routing protocol. Sender can specify the packet route designation, and can route the specifications. And routing aggregations, it uses the addresses hierarchy deployed in groups defined in RFC and 233074. So this is the difference between the IPv6 with IPv4. Here no broadcast of IPv6 is used and replaced by multicast, and multicast scope provides a flexibility, and uncontrolled fragmentation in IPv4 is used, and only a source node can fragment IPv6, and which limits packet size of minimum. This is IPv6 specifications. IPv6 specifications, which uses the RFC 2460, IPv6 neighbor discovery is RFC 2461, IPv6 auto configuration is 2462. So IPv6 technology uses a node that host or a router, which is node is very full and entertainment system, and here the node can be used the PD or cell phone system. This personal desktop. An excessive router, the node can forward IPv6 packet, not especially addresses to itself. The router operates a network layer. So the router uses the metrics in the determines optical path which network traffic should be forwarded. IPv6 is some of the terminologies. This is the transactions which uses IPv6. And today IPv6 is the community systems that is supports the many core societies of the have supports particular in the open source community. So these are the IPv6 today. So origin or origins. So this is available today in organizations.